G'day, just on a quick review on this charger I got from Temu. It started charging at 12.9 at 6.3 amps, and it's been on charge for probably about 3 hours now, because this battery was pretty dead. Car hasn't been used for a long time, but just wanted to show you is this actually working, because you know, ads show you that this is like press button stuff, but it's not. There's no buttons here, there's lights, and just go through it. So it's on automatic at the moment, so let it do its thing. Okay, and you got motorcycle. I guess it's a smaller battery for motorcycle, but personally I think it'll charge the same. It's kind of like reconditioning it. It'll pull the battery right down till it's completely flat and then charge it up again, but just leave it on automatic. It should be able to sense if the battery requires to be recycled, like drained first. You'd expect it anyway, but that's pretty much it. There's a fan on the side. I don't really think that's needed, but it's there. And if anybody's familiar with those little fans, after a while they start to vibrate. They still work, but they get noisy. But it's pretty cool little LED display on the front telling you what's going on. It's not the current temperature. It says 35 degrees summer, but you know, it's probably about 26 right now. So that 35 degrees must be the temperature of what's inside there, not of what's currently the weather. If it is supposed to be currently the weather, then it's wrong. But that's pretty much it. That's what you can expect from this little charger. Not a bad charger, but you know, it's going to take a while, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something that was slow charge. That's why I got it, and it was only a $20 job from Temu. That's the one I normally use if I want to get serious, but I didn't want to get serious on this little battery like that. That's a pretty fast charge, that thing. So it's this little one here, perfect for the job. When the battery's full, it just basically tells you it's full. I ripped out another battery from the shed that I've had sitting around for a long time. I have no idea if it has any power in it at all. I'm going to chuck it on there and see if it shows anything, and see if we can do a repair on it. Now, another thing I like about this is that when it's not connected, you can use it as a tester as well. So I'll just let that currently unplugged, but there we go. Put it back on. It's going to tell me how much power the battery has. So 13 volts exactly. Probably a little bit more than that if I was to put a meter on it, but it's good enough reading. You can't do any changes there, but at least it gives you some sort of reading. I'll put this on the bigger battery. Do we get anything out of it? Oh, we do. Okay, it's got 8 volts in it still. I wonder. So we'll plug it in. It's taking a charge, but I'm going to put this on. That's full repair. I'm going to let it run and just do its thing on there, and we'll see what happens. Okay, well, this battery is no good. To finish it off, I'll just show you when it finished doing its repair, so-called repair, it was only charging at 2.3 amps or something. So I think the repair is just trickles at a lower amp, and that's all. You can see that it was 8 point something volt then. When it finished, 8.1. When it finished, it did read just over 13. I think it was 13.2 or something, and then letting it rest overnight. This morning when it came to it, it was 9.5. And now I come back to it and it's 8.1, so it's back to where it originally started off. So I can recycle that battery and get rid of it. Well, that's it. Just a nice, simple, cheap charger. Does the job. Till next time. Cheers.